Tehillim 25 by David. To you, Yahuwah, do I lift up my soul. My Elohim, I have trusted in you. Don't let me be shamed. Don't let my enemies triumph over me. Yes, no one who waits for you shall be shamed. They shall be shamed who deal treacherously without cause. Show me your ways, Yahuwah. Teach me your paths. Guide me in your truth and teach me, for you are the Elohim of my Yeshua. I wait for you all day long. Yahuwah, remember your tender mercies and your chesed, for they are from old times. Don't remember the sins of my youth, nor my transgressions. Remember me according to your chesed, for your goodness' sake, Yahuwah. Good and upright is Yahuwah. Therefore he will instruct sinners in the way. He will guide the humble in justice. He will teach the humble his way. All the paths of Yahuwah are chesed and truth to such as keep his covenant and his testimonies. For your name's sake, Yahuwah, pardon my iniquity, for it is great. What man is he who fears Yahuwah? He shall instruct him in the way that he shall choose. His soul shall dwell at ease. His seed shall inherit the land. The friendship of Yahuwah is with those who fear him. He will show them his covenant. My eyes are ever on Yahuwah, for he will pluck my feet out of the net. Turn to me, and have mercy on me, for I am desolate and afflicted. The troubles of my heart are enlarged. Oh, bring me out of my distresses. Consider my affliction and my travail. Forgive all my sins. Consider my enemies, for they are many. They hate me with cruel hatred. Oh, keep my soul and deliver me. Let me not be disappointed, for I take refuge in you. Let integrity and uprightness preserve me, for I wait for you. Redeem Yisrael, Elohim, out all of his troubles.